Yay, day 3, and it's starting to rain. So we're going to get the hammocks put up. And I just hooked up the trailer and we're going to get out of here. It's 7:30. Sleep good?
Sort of.
Sort of. I was a little cold, but I slept good.
I used the bathroom.
Well, that happens. All right, so let's get these hammocks put up. It's only sprinkling, so it's not really bad. So not in too big of a hurry, but we'll get these hammocks put up, and then we'll hit the road, head over, find some breakfast somewhere, and head to Brushy Mountain, start our day. Yay.
Brushy Mountain?
Brushy Mountain.
What's that?
As many times as I've told this boy, Brushy Mountain State Penitentiary. The jail, the prison.
Oh, the jail. That's what it's called. I just called it the jail.
Folks, if you have teenage boys, please pray for me. I'm going to need it. All right. It is time to go. Where are we going, Levi? I'm just curious. Where are we going?
Depends what you're saying. We're going to 2 places.
Okay, what are the 2 places?
Well, I know the first one is the jail.
What's the name of the jail?
Jail.
Brushy Mountain.
Okay. And then the second one, we're going to go eat breakfast.
Yeah, we're going to go get some breakfast. So it is, what, 8:30, and the rain is pretty much gone. There's just a smidget left here. And how'd you sleep, Carrie?
Terrible.
Really? Were you cold?
Yes.
Even with the underquilt?
Yes. My legs were cold. Freezing. I almost got up and went to the truck.
She's a rookie.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was actually cold too. If I'd have put some pants on, I think I'd been just fine. All right. So about an hour away. We are leaving Norris Dam Campground east, and I would you recommend east or west? Because we drove over to west and saw what it looked like.
East if you're tent camping.
Yeah, I would agree with that.
West if you're RVing in it.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right, so I know you've never heard of Norris Dam State Park. We have never either heard of it either. So because it's not there, I mean, it's not a really popular park. There's a couple of things to do here, but it's not like some of the better parks that we've been to. So we're gonna head on to Brushy Mountain and see if we can find some food. This trip is not over, so stay
It's
with
only
us.
the beginning.
This is day 3, so we're just getting started on day 3. All right, let's go. Looks like all the mud jumpers are going.
We just realized we have to get tickets. So, this might be a while.
Plenty of mud jumpers coming. Goodness. This must have been where Mark Colley recorded his live album.
Hey.
I'd say so. Is this what they do now, is turn it into an event center?
Yeah, there was a time with, Crow Medicine.
Oh, that's right. They were here last night, weren't they? Old Crow Medicine Show was here last night.
So is this the field that things are
Yep,
ready to go out?
yep, went over that fence right there.
Yeah. My question is, why wasn't the guard paying attention?
Got it all gated off.
No. We just came out of the yard, so I guess this is the back. So yeah, cafeteria's on the second floor, and then prison cells.
I thought I heard people above us, so.
So this is prison cells?
Yeah, it's probably a small
We caught
holdings.
one.
Boom. Perfect. A near perfect con job. Yay. The new hole.
The new hole.
Well, it's better be in the A-hole, I guess. Oh, this is where the overflow was, I guess.
What?
I like how they put notice in creepy font.
No paranormal investigation, ghost haunting, allowed during daytime tours. What is it? Fire. Mailbox.
Don't get lost. Oh, okay. Here are some jail cells.
Nope. It's a shower.
Bring focus in here.
I think it's a shower. It's a shower.
It is a shower.
Mama. Mama.
And there's the jail cell. Oh, here we go. Just a regular jail cell with a bed, and a toilet, and the shelves.
That's the shower. Huh?
That's a
Or
cell.
is that just where they?
These are all cells. That's a shower.
And they had more in here than they did on the other one. That's why I had a toilet in here.
And somebody apparently liked Earnhardt.
They left a what?
They liked Earnhardt. Creepy little thin hallway.
Creepy.
Oh, here's cells 1 through 8. So these are the more hardened criminals here, right? That's what they said.
Yeah.
The reason they only have maybe 1% a cell. And then they can't go very far for the shower.
It's a big room.
What's that out there?
Oh. Oh.
Looks like maybe their recreation room, because Wow.
It don't say.
Burp. And then back out.
What was this?
So this is where they got their exercise for 1 hour. They came out of this door and they had to go in one of these cages and they could get exercise for an hour. But they couldn't go out on the field, which is out there, and they couldn't go out that way. So they went straight from their cell, which they had to stay in for 23 hours. And then 1 hour, they got to go into one of these little thin rooms for any kind of exercise they wanted for an hour before they went back in their cell. Is it a dip bar and a chin up bar?
Oh.
And they're completely overgrown now. That's crazy.
Well, it says they were shackled when moved from their cell to over here. Hands and feet. Once inside the cage, the inmates would turn around to have their feet unshackled first, and then their hands unshackled through the door hatches.
So their feet were unshackled here, then they'd stick their hands and unshackle them there. So they'd go in and lock them in and shut the door, and then they'd unshackle them.
Mind-boggling.
You're in a hole. And it's warm. And it's not even
Regular jail cells. She had a toilet. And was it maybe a sink right there one time?
The sink's over here.
Oh, sink's over there. And a bed, 2 beds. So 2 cots. So while 2 people were in the cell, other 2 people were out working in the cold. Then they would come, and then these would go work.
What is sad?
So 4 people per cell.
Somebody left their drawer open.
Left their drawers.
Somebody took out the drawer.
This is the cafeteria.
Num num time. It's leaking.
So the prisoners drew all the artwork in here.
You serious?
Yeah, that's what it says. It said, to boost morale, the warden allowed men to come help after dinner, clean up, and eventually paint animal portraits and other picturesque scenes of the outside world to boost morale. So look at all the cool artwork that inmates. Hey, there's Fred.
Oh, Fred, what's up, bro? Three times a day, every cell door opens on an entire block.
Come in and get your meatloaf.
There's still food left?
Yeah, there's some old leftovers. Go sit down and hope that you don't get killed while you chew on your meatloaf.
For the 20th time? No, this should go up. See?
I was waiting on you, I just want to make sure you knew where it was. Barber?
Yep, Barbara.
You know that was gonna happen.
Oh, you mean a stabbing?
Yeah.
Well, see, this is what happened before I come in here. He got stabbed in 81. We all were in the museum a while ago, so that was our law library. Remember seeing where his ladder was? Mm-hmm. Okay, if you was looking at his ladder, you turned around, there's a post right here. That's where they killed him at back in 81. They don't kill him, but he stabbed him 20-something times on an inch and a half. He died in Nashville in 89 at the age of 90 or 70-something. Come down with hepatitis C and liver disease and all that. Yeah. But see, there's things we done back in the nation here, which is called fishing. See where my finger's pointing right there? Count 16 bars up and see that double A battery half and 16 bars. You see that? Yeah. So we had transistor radios back in the day. Take a transistor radio apart, a little square box in the back, a couple wires on it, see? Oh, we'll unravel that something there. You can be in your cell up there and take a battery for a weight. Might be lowering something down the door.
Okie dokie. I think we're going to head to the house. 4 hours away. And that's going to be it for our Memorial weekend holiday trip, vacation, whatever you want to call it. Norris Dam State Park and Brushy Mountain State Penitentiary,
Jail.
Prison. That thing back there, not there, there.
There. It's a tree.
All right. Last words? Anything you want to say, folks?
This was absolutely mind-boggling. And subscribe.
Okay. Hey, let's do it again sometime. Okay. Let's go home. I'm going home.
Bye.
Digit's gonna be jealous. She smells something else on me. Sorry.
Okay.